In this demo, we'll run a performance analyzer to assess our database design. This is always worth running because no matter how experienced you are, there can always be mistakes or omissions in your database design. We'll select Database Tools and in the Analyze group select Analyze Performance. We want to analyze everything, so I'll select the All Object Types tab and then select the Select All option. We want to analyze absolutely everything in our database, so we'll click OK and notice that once this is run, the database is not in a fully compiled state. This will always be the case with new database, but Access actually tells you how to improve this. There are also some other recommendations, and they don't apply to you in this case, such as converting the zip or postal code field to an integer. Now, it might be that you only have integers in there at the moment, but many countries don't have letters in their postal codes, and so this would be a bad idea to change this over. We've also got some other recommendations that can be applied. If I see the table order details, it says table order details relate to table products. By clicking Optimize, it will apply this recommendation automatically. There are also style recommendations such as the number of controls on a form. And also, the Performance Analyzer is recommending that macros are converted to Visual Basic. Next, we're going to follow this advice. So I'll close this down now, and then in the navigation bar, expand macros. I'm going to convert the Delete All Data macro into Visual Basic. So I'll right-click Delete All Data, select Design View, and then I can select Convert Macros to Visual Basic. I want to have error handling and comments. So I'll leave those selected, select Convert, select OK, and now the Visual Basic for Applications window has been opened. Access has converted your macro to Visual Basic, and you've actually created code now without writing a single line of code yourself. So you've created it in a macro which you can do using simple picking from drop-down boxes as you go, quite a straightforward method of creating some extra functionality. And in here, we can now get access to create code from this. I'll double-click the converted macro Delete All Data and notice that the original macro is still available. You should only delete this once you're sure the new code works correctly. And now we're going to have a look at relationships and see the changes that the analyzer has made. And so I'll select Database Tools and select Relationships. I want to make sure I'm only looking at the tables I'm interested in, and so I'll select Clear Layout and select Yes. Then I can select Show Table, and then I can add order details and products because they're the only tables we're currently interested in. Notice now that there is a relationship that was created by the analyzer, but there's no referential integrity on this, and we've already seen that we can add this ourselves. Now you can try to apply basic normalization through the Analyze Table tool.